Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming. Right, so today I'm doing a mohawk hairstyle. I'm starting off with slightly stretched hair. I'm not a big fan of blow drying just to style hair. I will choose not to blow dry hair every chance I can get away with it. I know sometimes it is necessary, but not always, like in this case. Okay, all right, so I did not use any extra hair. This is all hair on hair that grows from her scalp. However, you can actually add some more hair, especially on the mohawk, or even on doing the cornrows. You can literally add some more hair if you are working with less hair for this hairstyle to come out exactly like this. Or if you want it bigger, you can use extra hair. All right, and I'm doing cornrows on the sides in some kind of a design, which is cool. I love it. I loved creating this look, by the way. I'm like, you guys will not understand how much I love hair. I love doing hair. I love creating hairstyles. And I know I don't always have enough time to actually do it. Yeah. Some of the things that you don't sign up to when you're starting a business, you'll be thinking, hey, I'm going to do hair. I'm going to spend all the time in the salon and I'm going to do this and that. But hey, admin still needs to be done and all the other things when it comes to operating or running a business. There's so many things that need to be done. Okay. I'm just rambling, and I am also going off topic, completely off topic. I was saying I loved creating this look because I love doing hair, and I get so excited, like, oh my goodness. You should come to the salon and see how I get excited over hairstyles. It's unfortunate I can't do most of the hairstyles because my hair problems, and that's another story for another day. But for this day, I am doing a hairstyle on someone who has got amazing, healthy, rich, thick, and voluminous hair. Yeah, she's got beautiful hair. Okay, I'm not talking so much on the process because these are just cornrows. If you don't know how to do cornrows, please check my channel. I've got a video on how to do cornrows. And when it comes to these designs, it's about you being creative and just letting those creative juices just flow through your fingers, through your eyes when you're parting and everything. It's basically that. And then please watch until the end so that you can see how I pin the mohawk. Working with natural hair, especially of this length, means that you're going to have to come up with ways of making sure that it doesn't come off, because if you just pin it anyhow, it won't exactly come out the way it's supposed to come out. So I had to come up with a plan. And so that's why I'm saying watch to the end. All right. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Why are you not subscribing? I know it is so cool here. We do a lot of hairstyles. We do business, because I know a lot of people that watch this channel have got their own businesses, or they aspire to go into business, or they are operating a hair salon. Well, they may think that it's not a business, but it is a business, believe me. So I share some business tips, and I also do fashion because I love fashion. Yeah, I think you will love it here. So subscribe. Subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. I'm also going to be posting natural hair dressing classes. Of course, that will be for members only, because I realize that most people are actually stylists, hairdressers, braiders, or those who want to go into that business, because it is an amazing and rewarding industry. Believe you me, I'll talk about that later. Anyways, back to this hairstyle. You see, I just did some chunky loose twists, and now I'm just pinning them up. So I am pinning the ones that are in the front towards the back, but creating some form of a hump, some form of volume. But this allows me to just use a few pins and the hair will remain in place. And then at the back, I'm also pinning it up because she wants to keep the hairstyle for at least 2 weeks. So if she's going to wear something with a collar, it should not disturb the hair at all. I want it to stay in place. Right. So this is the hairstyle. Nice. I loved it. I loved creating this hairstyle. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. And more than that, please comment below and let me know what videos you want me to do, and I'll definitely try my best to make sure that I'll do that for you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. God bless you.